How to get on Google on PS5. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can get on Google on PS5, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you're using PS4, you knew that you had an internet browser on PS4, but if you are directly using PS5, you're trying to access internet browser and then you realize that our internet browser is not there anymore. So why is this happening? That's because of course PlayStation actually removed that. So how do we get this back? Well, to get this there's a small trick. For that, just head over to your profile page and go to your profile. When you go to your profile, just go to the friends and select any random friend. Once you select the friend, just hit the messaging option next to that friend. When you go to the messaging option next to that friend, in the message box you simply want to type in google.com and send it to them. So make sure it is google.com without any space or colons, otherwise the link is going to fail. Once you type in google.com, select the google.com message here, and once you select that message, you'll be able to get Google on your PS5, and now you can simply browse for anything you prefer. As you can see, the search bar is also here. So this way you will be able to get on Google on PS5. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.